Hey guys, I'm excited to share with you how to set an expiry date and time for your WooCommerce coupons. We all know that limited time offers are a great way to entice customers and make sure they don't miss out on a great deal. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to set up these type of coupons in WooCommerce. All you need is the Discount Rules Pro plugin, which I highly recommend. I have already installed the plugin on my WooCommerce site. Now it's easy to do with this plugin, and I'm going to show you how. For this, we're going to go to WooCommerce, under which you'll be able to find the discount rules dashboard. Now you can just go start creating your new rule by clicking on the add new rule button. And here comes the rule configuration page. Let's start off by entering a rule title. Right. Make sure you enter an appropriate title here because if you opt for it, it may be displayed in the cart and checkout. So that's why it's important. And then comes the choose a discount type. Here we're going to use any type of discount that we want. Since this is a limited time coupon, I'm not focusing on the type of discount. So you can just choose anything that you want according to the scenario you have for your store. Let me just go for a cart adjustment rule, which applies to all products on our shop. And I'm going to set the percentage discount to 30. So 30% discount on all items. And this is only for a limited time. Next, in the condition section, you're going to be adding the coupon. So let's click on add condition, and from the drop down select coupons, create your own new coupon. That's the option you'll have to select here, and then give a coupon name. I'm going to enter the coupon name to be Hurry. Right. And after you enter the coupon name, you will have to come to the important part of this video, which is just set an expiry date for this particular coupon or this rule. All right. To do that, we will have to go to this rule limit section. And here you have an option to set rule validity, like from the starting date to the ending date and the time as well. So let's click on rule valid from. One thing to keep in mind is that this runs in correlation with the current server date and time. That's why it's displayed here. So you will have to adjust your rule validity according to this time that is displayed. That is your current server date and time. Enter the validity here. You can also schedule it in advance if you want, or go run this deal right away. I'm going to set something according to the current server date and time. And then you can also choose an end date for this. And this is going to be the end date, the next day. I'm going to run it for just one day. That's it. And then let's save this particular rule. Now you can see that a prompt is displayed saying this rule is not running currently because the start date and time that we have set is in the future date. So we may have to wait until this time for this rule to function, but don't worry, it's automated. It will automatically function. You don't have to do anything when the time is up. Right. So this is how this works. I have scheduled a coupon in advance, but you can just go give it right away. So as soon as the time that we have set here reaches, that is the validity 2 period, the coupon will not work anymore. That is a cool feature is that because this helps you boost your sales and get your customers excited about your coupons. So get the plugin today and start seeing results. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next video.